Hi, I'm Dash with AceGlass. Today we will be assembling a bench scale reactor system. This is part of our Scale Up Reactor series, which goes from 100 milliliters to 6 liters. However, we have other reactor systems which go as high as 200 liters. Please be sure to watch the video first before attempting your own assembly. Here, you can see our reactor stand. First, we put on the swing latch clamp, followed by the support ring. Next, we attach our flask to our support stand. Of course, unlike the video, the flask does not magically float through the clamps. You do actually have to use them for their design purpose. Now, for jacketed flasks, secure the adapters and gaskets to the inlet and outlet using flange clamps. Here, place the stir shaft and agitators. Don't forget your O-ring. Now add the head. Affix the head in place with a quick release clamp. Now attach the bearing. From there, attach the pass-through assembly to the motor and attach the motor to the reactor stand. On a side note, while we are showing you one method to set up your reactor, many prefer to attach the motor to the reactor stand first.